Hello, I didn't see you come in. Today's video is about my most favourite fossils and why I like them. So I have a whole box of these fine specimens. This one has a lot of shell on it. And it's quite well preserved because you can see the ridges really well, if you look. There's a few holes, dents in there, but it's still in my top 10, but not my ultimate favourite. This one, my brother found when he had an infected foot when we were going on a fossil trip. So he just sat around and dug in the earth and found this. Pretty much of a miracle. This one has quite a lot of shell in it, but not so much on this side. Still in my top 10, but still not my ultimate favourite. This one, my brother also found when he had an infected foot. It's like a knot of fossils. There's one there, there's one there, then there's quite a few there. In here, there's like a teeny piece of, an ammonite. It's really weird and cool. And yeah. This one is still in my top 10 because it's a really weird fossil here. It's like a line. It might be like a imprint or something. We don't know, but it's pretty interesting. This is my belemnite drawer, my belemnite box. It's full of these belemnites. If you look, there's this one. It looks a bit weird, weird. This one looks a bit like a bullet, doesn't it? Boo! So yeah, these are really interesting. But what's my ultimate favourite? Well, I'll show you. I'll show you my ultimate and penultimate favourite. One sec. You might not notice, but there's a picture frame here. And this one is the very first ammonite I ever found. This one. This one is the pyrite ammonite. Now, it isn't too well preserved, I know, but if you look carefully, you can see the ridges going along the top. They fade away as it goes here, but there's quite a lot there. And the reason we know it's pyrite is because it's black, not grey like that. Yeah, these are my top ultimate. This one's my favourite. That one's my second favourite, because, yeah, for my reasons. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe for more and hit the notifications button if you want your phone or device to send notifications. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!